Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to insert dotted line in Word. First, we are going to open your Word document. There, click on Borders and in the list, select Borders and Shading. In the available window, select the box option. In Style, choose the dotted line. If you wish, you can select the color of the line and its width. After this, in Preview, click on the lines and only leave the bottom line enabled. When you click OK, you will see this dotted line in Word. As an extra method, you can enter the multiplication sign 3 or 4 times. Press the Enter key and the dotted line will automatically be created. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.